today is Tuesday, April 21 na ngayon, Tuesday. And we're making breakfast. So, hindi ko pa din hahanap yung susi dun sa may pool area kaya hindi kami makapag-swimming ni Chloe. Yeah, we're gonna bake cookies today. And ito yung breakfast namin. Ayan. Nag-fry lang ako ng egg and then maybe magluto din ako ng corned beef. Sobrang mahal na ng corned beef ngayon, no? Grabe sa grocery na pinapuntahan namin sa Seafood City. Yung corned beef na mga may brand, like yung mga Filipino brand, nasa $7.99. Imagine almost $8 yung corned beef. Para na siyang kapresyo ng mga totoong karne talaga. So, for me, ang pricey nun. Pero bumili pa rin kami ng isa, pero yung brand lang ng Seafood City para hindi siya ganun kamahal. And, yan. Ito yung ating eggy. So, kami ni Chloe, ma-egg talaga kaming dalawa. As in, everyday ata kami kumakain ng egg. Either boiled or fry, pero kadalasan boiled. Actually, dinner pala namin kagabi boiled egg lang. Tinamad na kasi kami kumain. So, yan. And hihiwa lang ako ng sibuyas for the corned beef. And that's for breakfast. And ito namang iced coffee ko. Aliw na aliw ako dito sa... Wala naman kasi kaming ice maker. Actually, meron pero di namin ginagamit. Tingnan nyo. Bumili ako ng silicone na parang ice na tray. And nilagay ko dito yung coffee ko. And then nagsisilbi na siya na ice. And ito na rin yung coffee. Tapos lalagyan ko na lang ng milk. So ito yung iniinom ko everyday. Minsan pure na black na coffee lang. Minsan with milk. Pero walang sugar. Kasi okay naman ako sa lasa niya kahit walang sugar. So yan siya. Ang cute lang. Nagugas ako ng kamay, ha? Kasi tingnan niyo, oh. Super cute. And ako lang din naman yung umiinom nito kasi yung husband ko hindi naman siya nagko-coffee dito sa bahay. Doon siya nagko-coffee sa work niya. And definitely si Chloe hindi nagko-coffee. So, this is all mine. Ayan siya. Super cute. Tapos, lalagyan ko na lang siya ng milk. And that's it for my morning coffee. This is my very simple iced coffee sa morning. And we're just gonna pour some milk. And that's it. You can't paint that again because that's already painted. Are we done cleaning? Inuna ko lang yung corned beef bago yung sibuyas. And ito yung brand na ginamit namin. Yung brand lang ng Seafood City na pamana. Kasi nga, ang mamahal yung corned beef na yun. Grabe. So, ayan. Inuna ko lang yung corned beef and then ilalagay natin yung sibuyas after. Gusto ko lang ibahin for today. And then kunin natin yung sibuyas. 1,000 minutes. Are you hungry na? No, it's almost done na. And tingnan nyo naman to. Ang hirap talaga nito pangakuan na may gagawin kayong activity kasi ganito na siya agad sa umaga. Na siya agad. Pag sinabi mong magbe-bake kayo, pag gising niya, ready na yung pang-bake niya. Siya nag-prepare lahat niyan at nag-costume na rin siya. Are you ready na to bake?
Yes.
How many cookies are we gonna make today?
6.
6 only? I want 12.
Okay, then we're gonna do 12.
Okay. Magbe-bake kami mamaya. So, yan lang naman yung pang-bake namin, yung ready to make na. Ang ganda ng weather
And I'm
today.
gonna use
Ooh.
milk.
The sun is shining today.
The sun.
Here is my coffee. Oh, diba? Yan yung iced coffee ko. I-try nyo din yan kasi masarap din siya. Okay, so done na ang ating breakfast.
And there are things.
We have coffee, we have ketchup, rice na nasa rice cooker pa, longganisang vegan, egg, corned beef, and the hungry girl.
Yeah, and I want milk, please.
Oh, you want milk? Okay. And then we're gonna eat na.
Nothing.
I want to make any kind of bug.
Ooh, another day, another craft. What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna paint.
We're gonna paint the rock. Like this one.
But not the bigger rocks.
Yeah, the small ones only. You find it?
Because some people cut rocks, right? Cut them bigger.
Okay, I'm gonna do the ladybug and can you play the video?
I need some red.
Then we don't have the black one, so we can use that. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna paint the ladybug.
A ladybug, okay. Can I see?
I'm gonna start again.
And this is Chloe Saris.
Pencil erasers on the bottom or on the top of pencils. There's a round eraser, and that's going to be a great stamp for our ladybugs.
Okay. So, ang dami na namin nagawa ni Chloe maghapon. No? And nagpapakulo rin ako ng pork. Para ito naman ay dinner namin. So, siguro gagawin ko na lang siyang pork steak. And...
There's a bunch of ants
Yes?
in the container.
Really?
Yeah, a bunch of ants in the container.
Be careful, ha? Gagamitin natin to ulit. So, sabi sa TikTok. Okay. Yan. O, diba? Tanggal sila agad. See that? Works like magic, right?
Hi, today we're making some cookies. I got some chocolate, I got some baking cookies, and I got some butter and egg. Baking tradition.
Hmm.
We need to put the cookies.
Okay, I think it's 2:30 p.m. na and nag-melt lang ako ng butter for baking pero kailangan ko muna magkape para hindi ako antokin. So, gamitin ulit natin yung half nitong ginawa kong coffee, parang coffee pod something. Iced coffee.
A baby cake.
So, hindi na natin siya susukatin. Tansya-tansya na lang. Did you mix it na?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Chocolate chips.
There's chocolate chips na pala inside.
What?
Can you mix it again? careful lang when mixing, okay? Move it closer to you.
Look at this creamy chocolate chippies.
It's turning into a cookie dough.
Yeah. Let me get a massage. Mom, it actually smells so good. You want
I know, it smells so good. I wanna eat cookies na.
Hey,
I wonder if it's gonna taste good.
it is gonna taste good though.
You think so? Okay. Keep on mixing it.
So yummy.
You need to get more. That's too onte. Wait for the cookies to be cooked and then we're gonna taste it.
But can you save some for Dad?
Can you count how many cookies we made?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, are you ready, Chef Chloe?
Yes.
Oh, it's too warm. Okay. Now we wait for the cookie to be done. Closer. Why? It's too hot? That's the cookie right there. Okay, Chef?
Yeah, even though they don't look like a cookie.
Not yet. But later it's gonna be a cookie na. Okay? Ooh. Iced coffee with Chef. Hi, Chef.
Oh, it's cool.
What? We made a mistake.
Aww.
Something happened to our cookie.
Can you see?
You're gonna see later. This is shocking.
Okay.
But we can still eat the cookie, okay?
Okay. Ah!
Tapos na yung binake namin na cookie. Are you excited? For your cookies? Super excited? Okay, tignan natin kung anong kinalabasan. Gloves. Ooh! Look what happened to the cookie! It's now a cake!
Oh.
But it's okay, we can still eat this. Ooh, what happened to the cookie?
Can you turn it off?
What happened to our first cookie? First ever cookie na binake namin ni Chloe. Tada! Oh my god! But it looks good and it smells good. So guys, pa siyang papel. Anyway, hanginan muna natin siya and then tikman natin mamaya kung lasang cookie nga ba siya. Ooh. Taste test of the cookie. Is it good? It's good?
Makes your happy face. Where you can see your happy face. Okay. So now, Chloe, you have an activities after the with the other lesson. Okay, po. Let's see if you can still remember the
Listen to
pictures.
teacher.
You are to name. You are going to make the pictures.
Muna tayo sa taas. So, dito tayo mag-work. At dito siya nagsistart sa baba. Amen.